and this is the site of the tram to be built within the next 2 years. If you look down, you'll see these people are struggling to get up the trail. I'll follow all the way down. And at the bottom of that trail is a pool of water you can bathe in. And the grand plan for this is to make a tram that goes up the hill to a parking lot that is going to be up there. Should hold about 200 cars. And up there will also be the center for a Greek visitor center where there'll be restaurants and snack bars and souvenir shops from the local people to bring them in and sell some of their wares. And then the tram will go down the hill here. About 2 minutes, right, to the base of the pools. The pools will have, we'll set up some diving boards, and maybe if we can bring in some sand that's not going to blow, we could set up like a little beach so people can have their little taste of paradise without actually walking down the hill and experiencing stumbling on a rock or not having a bar down there. These are things that visitors to Maui shouldn't have to experience. So our whole project is going to remedy that. So I hope you guys will follow us on the internet and keep a progress. We should be finished with it in about November of 2013. Thanks.